I have a Rinnai Control-R module and push buttons. The buttons seem to have forgotten their pairing with the module, and I'm having trouble repairing them.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
The buttons worked for about 11 months. In the last month, I've tried a couple of times to pair the two buttons that used to work.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I guess the question is, do I have to do something to make the Control-R module forget the earlier pairings?
My name is. I look forward to helping you. I am a Rinnai factory trained and certified repair technician. See link below, it is all the information that I have. If you need more than this, please let me know. https://www.rinnai.us/gas water heating /tankless accessories Wi-Fi.
I've already read everything on the Rinnai website and poured through the manuals. I haven't found anything that helps.
Have you looked at that specific link?
I have, and all the links on that page. If that's all you have, I'll thank you for your time and sign off.
So you have followed this manual and it did not work. https://www.rinnai.us/system/files/2017-06/controller_push_button_installation_instructions.pdf.
Including pulling the batteries out to reset the button to factory settings. What I can't tell is whether the Control-R module has a maximum number of devices it will pair with. In other words, since I've attempted the pairing multiple times, I don't know if I need to make the Control-R unit forget old pairings. I can control the water heater with my phone, so I know that part of the Control-R unit is working. Thanks, looking for an obvious phone number on their website and breezed right over that one. I'll call them in the morning.
Nice, glad you could be so friendly.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.